Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add or remove card on Temu. Without further ado, let's get started. So to add a card, first go to your Temu app, then tap on the U icon at the bottom, then tap on the settings at the top right corner. Sometimes the settings is listed here, so if you don't see it at the top, it's just somewhere in line with these other options. Then in your settings, tap on your payment methods. As you can see, we cannot screen record here anymore because this page includes all your card information, but basically what you're gonna see is a button like this. So you just have to tap on that, then just fill in all the necessary information. Now to remove a card, you just have to do basically almost the same thing. So first go to your Temu app, tap on the U icon, then tap on the settings, then tap on your payment methods again. So we cannot screen record here as well, but basically if you have added a card already, you're gonna see something like this. So just tap on the edit button on the card that you want to remove. Then you're gonna see something like this. Just tap on the delete card option. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.